Good morning, everyone. So, today we will see our chapter 5, that is Understanding Elementary Shapes. We have already learnt about angles and triangles in our previous chapter, that chapter 4, Geometrical Ideas. So, today we will see only that what are the different types of angles, what are the different types of triangle on basis of sides and angles, then types of polygons and different things. So, let us start our today's class by chapter 5, angles. So I hope you all already learnt about that acute, obtuse and reflex angles in your previous classes also. So let us revise it once again. So what are the angles? Acute, obtuse and reflex. What are these? There are so many different types of angle which are not right or straight. Right means 90 degree and straight angle means 180 degree. But other than this, the angles are acute. Acute means an angle which is less than right angle, means which is less than 90 degree. The angle which is less than 90 degree are known as acute angle, like 45 is less than 90, so 45 degree is an acute angle. The next one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means an angle which is greater than a right angle and less than a straight angle. It means which is greater than 90 and less than 180. It means if you take 145, so 145 is an one obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 but it is less than 180. So this type of angles are known as obtuse angle. Then reflex angle means an angle which is greater than a straight angle is called a reflex angle. Means the angle which are greater than 180 degree, and this type of angles are known as straight. So reflex angle means which is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. So this type of angles are known as reflex angle. Then right angle. Right angle means whose measure is equal to 90 degree. Straight angle whose angle measure is 180 degree. And complete angle. Complete angle means which is equal to 360 degrees. So these are the different types of angle. Then classification of triangle means different types of triangle. So triangle is a polygon with three sides. As we have already learned, polygon means a closed figure with only line segment. So it is a polygon with how many sides? Three sides, and it is a polygon with the at least number of sides. So every triangle is of different size and shape. So on basis on their sides and angle, we will see what are the different types of triangle. So see classification on the basis of sides. First one is scalene triangle. And what is the meaning of this? If all the sides are different, then it is called a scalene triangle. All sides are different. It means like it is of 2 centimeter, this sides of 3 centimeter, and it is of 4 centimeter. So you can see the length of each side is different here. So this type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. Then isosceles triangle. If any two sides are equal, for example, it's of 2 centimeter, this side is also of 2 centimeter, but it is of 5 centimeter. So if any two sides of a triangle are equal, then this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. The last one is equilateral triangle. If all the three sides are equal, for example, if all the sides are of 5 centimeter, then this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. So these are the types on basis of sides. Now we'll see the classification on basis of angles. Angle means first one acute angle. Acute means if all the angles are less than 90 degree, then it is called an acute angle triangle. It means how many angles are there in triangle? 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. And if all the angles are less than 90 degree, if all the three angles are less than 90 degree, then we can say that it is an acute angle triangle. For example, if it's of 45, then it's of 30 degree and it is of 60 degree. So this type of triangles are known as acute angle triangle. Then right angle triangle means if one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. Means it's of how much? 90 degree. So this type of triangles are known as right angle triangle. The next one is obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angles of triangle is obtuse angle, then it is called an obtuse angle. How many angles are there? 1, 2, 3. Out of this 2, if it is of 130 and this is of 30 degree, then it is of 60 degree. So see, here only one angle is greater than 90 and it is an obtuse angle. So if any one of the angle of triangle is obtuse angle, then this type of angle is triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now we'll see quadrilateral, and we know that what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadri means which is having how many sides? 4 sides. So polygon with 4 sides are known as quadrilateral. So there are different type of shapes like rectangle, square, parallelogram, trapezium. So let us see first one, rectangle. This is the shape of a rectangle. It has 2 pairs of equal opposite sides. How many pairs? See this, for example, AB, CD. So AB is equal to CD, means these are the 2 opposite sides, and BC and ED, these are the 2 opposite sides. So here AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to ED. So this is the properties of rectangle. And here opposite sides are parallel, or it means equal, and all the angles are right angle. Means how many angles are there in rectangle? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all are of how much degree? 90 degree. So these are the 3 properties of rectangle. Then see the square. We know that what do you mean by square? Square means it has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means equal only, like an equal side, and all the angles are right angle. Here also all the 4 angles are of how much degree? 90 degree. Then next one is parallelogram. Parallelogram means it has 2 pairs of parallel opposite sides. So square and rectangle are also known as parallelograms. Parallelogram means which is having 2 pairs, means these 2 sides are parallel and these 2 sides are parallel. Parallel line means which do not intersect each other. So that square and rectangle, these are also an example of parallelogram also. The next one, rhombus. Rhombus, it has also 4 sides. It's like a square only. So all the 4 sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Here is opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Here opposite angles are equal, like this one. If it is of 45 degree, then this one is also 45 degree, means opposite sides are opposite angles are also equal. Then diagonals intersect each other at the center at 90 degree. Diagonal means which is joined using opposite sides. So these are the 2 diagonals and they are intersecting at how much degree? Means at center. At center they are making an angle of how much degree? 90 degree. Then trapezium. Trapezium means it has also 4 sides and 1 pair of opposite sides are parallel. Means this, see, this and this one, these are the 2 sides are parallel side, and these 2 sides are not parallel, non-parallel sides. So only 1 pair of sides are parallel. So that type of figure is known as trapezium. So quadrilateral means which is having how many sides? 4 sides, and there are different properties of different different polygons. Then see the polygons here. And so what do we know about polygon? That any closed figure which is made up of 3 or more line segment is called polygon. So here we will classify the polygon on basis of their sides and vertices. So see, number of sides, number of polygon, figure. If number of sides are 3, then we'll call it as triangle. Means 1, 2, 3 sides. Then if any figure is having 4 sides, it is named as quadrilateral. See the sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll take till 10 number. If any figure is having how many sides? 5 sides. So it is known as pentagon. And one more thing you have to notice, that all the sides should be equal. Like if we are taking here 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If all the 5 sides are equal, then it is called as regular polygon. Regular polygon. अगर किसी भी पॉलीगन में सभी साइड्स बराबर है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं रेगुलर पॉलीगन. अगर बराबर नहीं है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं इररेगुलर पॉलीगन. सो जनरली इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल टेक, मीन्स इन ऑल दिस फिगर हम यहाँ पर सभी साइड्स को क्या लेंगे? इक्वल लेंथ में लेंगे. सो इफ पेंटागन, इफ एनी फिगर हैज हाउ मेनी साइड्स? 5 साइड्स, सो इट इज़ नोन एज पेंटागन. इफ एनी पॉलीगन इज हैविंग 6 साइड, अगर किसी पॉलीगन में 6 साइड्स है तो हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? हेक्सागन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for 7 we'll call heptagon. For 8 octagon. For 9 nonagon, and 10 for 10 decagon. If any figure is having n sides, so it will, the name is according to n gon. Like it is having 10, so it will be deca. For 9, nonagon. For this, so these are the different types of polygons, and according to the name, according to the sides, we have given the name. For 3, triangle, 4, quadrilateral, then pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. For example, if I had given the draw the figure of hexagon, so you have to make how many sides? 6 sides. Then see the 3D shape. What do you know about 3D shape? The solid shape having 3-dimensional shape, which is having length, breadth, and height, and 2D shape which is having only length and breadth, like rectangle, square. These are the 2D shapes. So 3D shapes are like cone. For example, you can take which is round as ice cream. Then cube, you can take any block. For cuboid, matchbox, means these are the shapes similar to cuboid. Then cylinder, you can take one glass. Then sphere, like a ball. Sphere is like a ball only. Then pyramid, Rubik's in a pyramid shape. Then we'll see what are the faces, edges, and vertices in a 3D shape. So all the flat surfaces of the solid shape are the faces of the figure. The line segment where two faces meet each other is called edge, and the point where two edges meet each other is called vertex. So here in this figure you can see that what are the faces. Faces means this is the flat surface, so this is known as face. Edge means where two faces meet, means one and this two. There are two faces, ये दोनों कहाँ पे मिल रही है इस लाइन पर, so this is known as edge. Then vertex means a point. Vertex को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Point बोल सकते हैं या फिर corners बोल सकते हैं. So vertex are known as points or corners where two edges meet each other. See, like these are the two edges और ये दोनों कहाँ पे मिल रही है इस पॉइंट पर, so this is known as vertex. So flat surface known as faces, and the line segment जहाँ पर दो faces meet होते उसे बोलते हैं edge. So using this we will classify different types of 3D shape. Now see that according to the shape how many faces, edges, and vertices are there. For example, cube. This is the shape of a cube. Now we have to count faces, edges, and vertices. Faces means this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are how many faces? 6 faces in a cube. See, 1, 2, 3, 1 is down 4, 1 is here 5, and 6. For example, you can take any block or any chalk box or a box, your simple compass, and count the faces there. There will be 6. Now we have to see the edges. Edges means this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ पर ऊपर 4 है. Then down it will also be 4. 4. Then here side 8, and here also 12. If you count the edges, you can see it will be 12. Then see the vertices. Vertices means this corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 is at the back, means here it is in 3-dimensional figure. 3-dimensional figure को हम इतने we can what do you mean by 3D shape? 3D shape का मतलब होता है जिसे हम आसानी से ब्लैक बोर्ड पर ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. So you can see that in this figure we cannot say that 8 vertices, but exactly how many vertices are there? 8 vertices. So for seeing the cube, 8 faces, vertices, and edges, you take an block. एक block लेना या फिर एक chalk box लेना और उसमें देखना कि कितने faces, edges और vertices है. Then for cuboid, here cuboid is given. For cuboid you can take one matchbox. So here also how many faces are there? You can see what is the difference between cube और cuboid के बीच में क्या difference रहता है? Cube means where all the sides are equal. It's like an square only. All sides are equal. And cuboid means where opposite sides are equal. ये किसके जैसा है? Rectangle जैसा है ना? It is like an rectangle where opposite sides are equal, but it is a 3D shape. So take one matchbox. You have to take a matchbox and see the faces, edges, and vertices. So these are the faces, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is at the back. यहाँ पर 1, 2. ऊपर 3 और down 4. Then this side 5 and this is 6. 6 faces. Edges like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it will be total 12 will be there. And how many corners or how many edges are vertices are like this one, 1, 2, 3. 1 is at the back 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total 8 vertices. So cube and cuboid both are having same faces, edges and vertices. Then cone. For cone, you can see one birthday cake or an ice cream cone. So how many faces are there? There are only 2 faces, 1 vertex. So see here, which is a vertex here. It's in vertex. Faces means 2 faces, 1 and this one circular. This is 2 faces and it is 1 edge. You have 2 faces, 1 vertex and 1 edge here in the cone. Then see the sphere. Sphere means it's like a ball. Sphere is like a circle, but it has some volume in it. So take the example like a ball. So how many faces are there? Only 1 face. And how many edge? Only 1 edge. But is there any corner or any vertex here? No, because it is curved, so it has no any edges, no any corners. So here it will be that. So see the sphere. Here you can see it has no any edge and no any vertices. By mistake here it is written 1, but here it will come 0. In place of 1 it will be 0 here. Here it has only 1 face, but it does not have any edge, any corner. Then see the cylinder. Cylinder means, for example, you can take a glass, or you can see the cylinder which you are using at your home, that how many faces, edges and vertices it have. Faces means you can see that see faces, how many 3 faces are there? This is the first face, it is your second face, then third face is this one. So there are 3 faces. After that we will see its edges. How many edges are there? 2 edges. It's 1 and this is a 2, which is joined using corners. So how many edges are there? 2 edges. As it does not have any vertex is given there, as it is a like a round pipe or a plane faces, so it does not have any corners. So corners will be 0 or does not have any vertex. Then see the square base pyramid. As you already seen pyramid square base. Why it is named as square base? Means is base. This base is in the form of a square. इसका जो नीचे का जो base है जिस पर ये टिका हुआ है उस वो कौन सा शेप का है? स्क्वायर का है. Therefore it is known as square based pyramid. Now we'll see different faces, edges and vertices. So how many faces are there total? Total 6 faces will be there, like this one, 1, 2, then here 3, 4 and 5 and 6, total 6 faces. Then how many edges? Edges means this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total like this it will be how many edges? 8 edges. And how many corners are there? Total 5 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is at the back. So these are the faces, edges and vertices. Then see the triangular prism. Prism means as we can see it is in the science lab, it is in which it is made up of only transparent glass only. So here also you have to see how many faces are there. Faces means like this one, you can see it's 3D shape. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one, fifth one, 5 faces. Then edges, total 9 edges, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then here 8 and it is 9 edges. And how many vertices are there? Total 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is the point are 6 edges, or 6 vertex या फिर corners. So like this, yeah, you can see the different types of 3D shape. Now we'll see some questions based on that. That first question is, classify the angles whose magnitudes are given below. Means you have to name as acute, obtuse or straight, zero angle as we have learned. So 116 degree. You can see it is greater than 90 but less than 180. It means it is an obtuse angle. Then 23. It is less than 90. So it means it is an acute angle. Then 0 degree means 0 angle. Like this you have to name the different types of angle. Now name the different types of following triangles. Triangles means a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. So first one triangle is Name the type of following triangle. First one, triangle with length 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. You can see all the sides are different. 7, 8 and 9 means this type of triangle is a scalene triangle. Like this, you have to see that AB 8.7, 7 and 6, all the sides are different. So which type of triangle is this? And if any PQ, QR and PR, all sides are of how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Means all sides are equal. So which triangle is this? It is an equilateral triangle. Like this you have to solve. Then see, triangle DEF means one triangle is given DEF with D 90 degree, means like this it is given. One triangle is given DEF. So here you can see D, it's of 90 degree, it is given. It means it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means which is a straight angle 90 degree. Then next one, XYZ with Y is equal to 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ. One triangle you have to make. Y is 90 means it is an XYZ. Y कितने angle का है? 90 degree का है. And where XY is equal to YZ means XY and YZ both two sides are equal. As we know that 90 degree means right triangle, and if any two sides are equal then it is known as isosceles triangle. So it can be written as isosceles right angle triangle. Like this you please solve the next different types of questions. Then question number 3. In this question also you have to classify the triangle as scalene, equilateral or isosceles. So first one, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2. All the sides are equal. So which type of triangle is this? Equilateral triangle. In second one, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter. See, here two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. So which type of triangle is this? It is an isosceles triangle. Like this you have to see all the three triangles and it is your homework. Then see the last question of our chapter. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse or straight angle. So an angle whose measure is less than right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. So which type of triangle? ऐसा angle जिसमें 90 degree से जो कम हो. So that type of triangle is known as acute angle. Then angle whose measure greater than right angle means the angle which is greater than 90 is obtuse angle. Third one, an angle whose measure is sum of measure of two right angle. एक ऐसा angle जिसका measure two right angle के sum के बराबर हो. So what do you mean by right angle? 90 degree. So two right angle means 90 plus 90 which is equal to 180. So 180 degree. It means which type of angle is this? It is a straight angle. Then fourth one, when the sum of measure of two angle is that of a right angle, then each one of them is. Here sum of the measure. यहाँ पर क्या दिया है कि ऐसे दो एंगल का सम किसके बराबर है? 90 डिग्री है. तो इसमें एक एंगल क्या होगा? फॉर एग्जांपल 45 प्लस 45. You can see if we add this, it is of how much degree? 90 degree. So one of them means any one of or both of them can be acute. You can see 45 are less than 90. It means these are acute angle. The last one is when the sum of measure of two angle is that of a straight line. If one of them is acute, straight line means you have to take any two angle so that their sum should be equal to 180 degree. Straight line का मतलब straight angle का मतलब होता है 180 degree. So when the sum of two angle is that of a straight angle, then one of them is acute. तो दूसरा angle क्या होगा? For example 130 and 50. If we add this, how much you will get? 180 degree. So here one of them is acute means 50 degree is less than 90. So ये angle क्या है? Acute है. But 130 is greater than 90. So, and it is an obtuse angle. So if one is acute, then others should be obtuse angle. So we will complete only this much part from chapter 4. So I hope you all have understood today's class about our understanding elementary shape. So I will give you the definition that which one you have to write in your fair copy. So we'll see the next chapter on the next day of our class.